Look at that piece of shit fucking Rowan, man. Yeah, cough it up, bro. Oh, must be all God. Must be all the fucking weed, man. All the cigarette. Oh man. Oh, must be that fucking booze that last night. I'm such a fucking pariah. I'm a scammer. I'm a scumbag. I'm a fucking rape and love miner. Man, I should get fellow mom ready. Yeah, I heard he likes marriage too. Yeah, I should get Northside Me to team up with me. We can all. Maybe I should get Dank Whelan. Hey, we all four can drive my RV I stole from a fucking dead man. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta rip them up his family. Yeah. He owned the RV, but it's no mom. It's mine. Tommy's now. Excuse me, little gentleman. I just got a call up a lot. Hey, Northside Media, fellow mom, get a hold of me. WDRN. Let's do it right, boys. The four of us, we can hit the road in the RV, pick up shit, go cruising down the road. Sorry about that. Must be all the fucking weed and cigarette me smoking and that booze I drank last night. Oh yeah, let's do it up, boys. Yeah, the four of us in an RV with Tommy. Yeah. Excuse me, brother. Yeah.